Hey everybody! Today I'll show you how to find or change your YouTube TV password easily. No headaches, just simple steps. Let's go! First, know this. Your YouTube TV account uses the same login and password as your Google account. So, if you've forgotten it, or want to update it, you'll need to manage your Google login. If you forgot your password, go to YouTube TV or youtube.com and click Sign In. Below the login fields, click Forgot Password. Google will prompt you to enter your email or phone number connected to your account. Then follow the steps. You may get a verification code via your recovery email or phone. Once verified, you can set a new password. If you remember your password and just want to change it, sign into your Google account. Go to myaccount.google.com. Navigate to Security, find Signing In to Google, and select Password. Enter your current password, then set a new one. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, symbols. Avoid obvious stuff. Also, after you change it, you may need to re-sign in on your devices, TV, phone, etc., because the old login won't work anymore. That's it. You're all set with a new password. If this helped, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you need help.